Hi, my name is Hannah Kinsler, and I will be presenting my PowerPoint titled HIPAA and Patient Confidentiality Rights. Problem: patient confidentiality is not taken into consideration. This is because individuals are not being informed of the HIPAA law that prevents discussing patient information. This can take place simply because the individual inquiring is unaware that he or she is not entitled to details of the condition without written authorization by the patient. At times they are asked questions about the patient's diagnosis by the family and friends of the patient. This problem may occur as a result of individuals not being informed of the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, which prevents the release of patient information without the written consent by the patient. This problem can also be the result of human error on behalf of the healthcare professional by simply not verifying the HIPAA privacy rule document signed by the patient, which states who is entitled information. This issue can drastically affect the patient as they have the right to complete confidentiality of their medical condition and records. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services website, this is a graph demonstrating the number of complaints regarding patients' privacy. Complaints remaining open is 6% and complaints resolved is 94%. If individuals followed the HIPAA law, complaints wouldn't even be happening. My audience involves everyone because everyone is a patient at some time in their life. Healthcare providers are just as important, if not more. I will overcome skepticism by giving my audience specific details pertaining to HIPAA. Healthcare providers are legally responsible for developing notices of privacy practices and policies and procedures specific to privacy in their practice. Providers are obligated to present this document to all patients prior to being seen. The first potential solution is by holding all providers accountable to presenting that document to all the patients. The next potential solution to this problem would be for the provider to explain these notices of privacy practices to each patient in great detail. Typically, this is addressed at the reception area at the time of patient registration. Placing a qualified, detail-oriented, friendly employee in this position is beneficial to both the medical facility and the patient. The objective is for the patient to read and sign all documents regarding patient confidentiality with a clear understanding of his or her rights as a patient. Next, as a patient, read and understand the patient confidentiality document that you are required to sign. The patient must take responsibility and understand what they are reading and signing. Lastly, the final potential solution for this problem would be for the Office of Civil Rights to continue to enforce the HIPAA privacy rule, as they have done since it was established in 1996. In conclusion, our government has developed this law to protect our privacy, and it is our responsibility to advocate for ourselves. Thank you for listening to my PowerPoint, and I hope you have enjoyed it.